Hey there, ocean explorers! Welcome back to Kids Step by Step, where learning is fun and full of adventure. Today, we are diving deep into the mysterious world of whales, the gentle giants of the sea. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss more cool animal videos like this one. What makes whales so special? Whales are some of the largest and smartest animals on our planet. The blue whale, for example, can grow longer than 3 school buses and weigh more than 200 tons. That is heavier than 30 elephants. But whales aren't just huge, they're also brilliant thinkers. They can communicate, cooperate, and even show emotions like kindness and sadness, just like humans do. Whale intelligence smarter than you think. Did you know whales have one of the biggest brains in the animal kingdom? Whales use their big brains to work together when hunting, protect their young from danger, and even play games with each other. Yes, whales love to play. Scientists have discovered that whales have complex social lives, just like humans. They form close friendships, take care of family members, and sometimes even help other injured animals. Whale language songs from the deep now. Here's something truly magical. Whales can talk to each other using sounds called songs or clicks. Humpback whales are famous for their long, beautiful songs that can last up to 20 minutes. These songs travel for hundreds of miles underwater. Some scientists believe whales use songs to find each other, attract mates, or share information about food and danger. Imagine a whale radio station at the bottom of the ocean. Welcome to Whale FM, bringing you the best deep-sea hits. Teamwork and communication. Whales are team players. Some species, like orcas, killer whales, hunt in groups called pods, like wolf packs of the sea. Each pod has its own language, a special set of sounds only they understand. That means one group of orcas can talk differently from another group hundreds of miles away. When orcas hunt, they use incredible teamwork. They'll trap schools of fish, create waves to knock seals off ice, or even use bubbles to confuse prey. It's like watching an underwater strategy game. Emotions and family bonds. Whales are emotional creatures with strong family ties. Mother whales are super protective and gentle with their calves. They feed them milk for months and guide them across thousands of miles during migration. Whales can even grieve when one of their pod members dies, a sign of deep emotional intelligence. There have been real videos of whales carrying their babies' bodies for days, as if saying goodbye. It's heartbreaking, but it shows how deeply they care. Let's splash into some quick whale fun facts. 1. Blue whales have hearts the size of a small car. 2. You could crawl through a blue whale's arteries, they're that big. 3. Whales sleep with one half of their brain awake, so they can keep breathing and watch for danger. 4. Some whales migrate over 10,000 miles a year. That is like swimming around the Earth's halfway. 5. Whales produce poop that helps grow phytoplankton, tiny plants that make most of Earth's oxygen, so whales literally help us breathe. Why we must protect whales? Sadly, whales face dangers from pollution, ship noise, and climate change. But the good news is you can help. Here's how kids can make a difference. Keep the ocean clean by not littering. Use less plastic. Reusable bottles and bags help a lot. Learn and share whale facts with your friends. Every small action helps protect these gentle giants. And that's it for today's underwater adventure. We learned how whales sing, work together, and even show love and emotion. They are truly one of the ocean's smartest creatures. If you love learning about whales, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Kids Step by Step, and comment below your favorite whale fact. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep caring for our planet.